Okay, continuing our adventures in advanced factoring. Now they give us 64m cubed plus 125n to the 6p to the 9. And the fact that all these powers are multiples of 3 might make you suspect that this is a sum of cubes. And if you look at 64, that is indeed 4 cubed. This is 5 cubed. So yes, this is structured as a sum of cubes, as described on your sheet right here. And they say that a sum of cubes can be factored as first plus second, first squared minus first times second plus second squared. Not a big deal, not at all different from a difference of cubes except for the tweaking of a couple signs. So the cube root of this first term is 4m. The cube root of this second term is 5n squared p cubed. And we're going to be using those over and over again as we lay out this factorization. It starts with x plus y, as in first plus second. So 4m plus 5n squared p cubed. And then we get x squared, as in first squared. So 4m squared minus first times second. So 4m times 5n squared p cubed plus second squared, so 5n squared p cubed all squared. And now we clean that up if we can. The first pair is, the binomial is not bad. We don't have to fix anything in there. Just recopy that. And now 4m times 4m is 16m squared. 4 times 5, or sorry, negative 4 times 5 is 20 mn squared p cubed plus 5 squared is 25, and we get n to the 4th, p to the 6th. And that's where we would stop if we were factoring. We'll double check it because we like to be right. 4m times 16m squared gives 64m cubed. Next term gives minus 80 m squared n squared p cubed. 4m times this gives 100 mn to the 4th p to the 6th. And our next term, distributing through, gives us 5 times 16 is 80 m squared n squared p cubed. You see how these terms match up beautifully. This is the factorization doing its work. 5 times minus 20 gives minus 100, so that's going to cancel just the way you might have guessed. What does that multiply out to? M n to the 4th, p to the 6th. I'm trying to really multiply these out and not just anticipate what's going to happen. That's how you get locked into repeating a mistake. And 5 times 125 gives me plus 125 n to the 6, p to the 9. As we got used to seeing with difference of cubes, those terms cancel, and those terms cancel, and so we're left with 64m cubed plus 125n to the 6p to the 9, which is exactly what we began with, so it worked again.